How can a single piston weigh over 5 tons? This is the world's largest marine engine component, requiring a crane to be lifted out for repairs. It doesn't use regular gasoline or diesel, but a thick, black, asphalt-like heavy oil that must be heated before it can be ignited. This oil looks rough, but it has a high energy density and is cheap, making it ideal for transoceanic voyages of tens of thousands of kilometers. With the massive pistons and combustion pressure, lubricants are necessary to reduce friction. Some giant ships require dozens of tons of lubricants alone, so the entire engine is so large that it can fit into a building. Walking into the engine room feels like entering a steel factory, jaw-droppingly impressive.